There comes a moment in history when we are called not just to live in the world as it is but to shape the world as it should be, a moment when the future stops waiting for us and instead demands that we meet it head on. That moment is now, and the symbol of that moment is standing right in front of you, the Kia EV6. But don't mistake this for just a car. Don't limit it to rubber, steel, batteries or wires. This is a declaration, a statement, a call to those who believe in speed, in beauty, in performance, and most importantly in change, because the Kia EV6 is not simply about transportation, it is about transformation. Chapter 1: Breaking Limits. All our lives we've been told about limits. You can't go faster, you can't go farther. You can't change what has always been. But limits are illusions, and illusions fade when someone has the courage to challenge them. The EV6 doesn't whisper, it roars silently in a world where silence used to mean weakness. The EV6 redefines it is power, no rumble, no smoke, no delay, just instant acceleration, the kind that pins you to your seat and reminds you that the future waits for no one. 0 to 60 in just over 3 seconds. That is not just speed, that is proof that electric doesn't mean compromise, proof that sustainable doesn't mean slow, proof that tomorrow isn't something you wait for, it is something you drive. Chapter 2: Designed for the Dreamers. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the car of your dreams, not just a machine but an extension of your will. Sharp lines that slice through the air, a body sculpted not just by engineers but by visionaries, a cabin that feels less like a vehicle and more like a sanctuary. That is the Kia EV6, a design born from ambition and crafted with precision, aerodynamic curves, a futuristic stance, a panoramic display that feels like a portal into tomorrow. When you step into the EV6, you're not stepping into a car, you're stepping into possibility. Chapter: Power meets purpose. True greatness doesn't just move you, it moves the world forward. And what is power if not guided by purpose? The EV6 doesn't just perform, it transforms. With a range of over 300 miles on a single charge, it tells you this: the road doesn't end where the fuel runs out, it ends where your courage does. And with ultra-fast charging, 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes, it reminds you that time is too precious to waste. Every second matters, every moment is an opportunity. This car, power and purpose are not at odds, they are one, and together they prove that performance and sustainability can share the same road at full speed. Chapter 4: Lessons from the Road. Driving has always been more than getting from one place to another, it is about the journey. About facing what lies ahead, about learning who you are when the road stretches far and the horizon dares you to keep going. Life is no different. You will face detours, obstacles, storms, times when you feel like stopping, but like the EV6, you must carry within you a battery of resilience. Recharge quickly, accelerate when it matters, hold nothing back when the future calls. The road teaches us this: speed is nothing without direction, and direction is nothing without purpose. Chapter 5: The Human Spirit and Innovation. Look around you, the world is changing faster than ever before, And in times of change people face a choice to resist to fear or to rise. Kia EV6 is a symbol of rising, of daring to embrace what others doubt. It is a message to every dreamer who has ever been told impossible. Innovation isn't about technology alone, it is about the human spirit. It is about saying we can build cleaner, we can go faster, we can dream bigger, we can leave behind not just footprints but legacies. This car is a mirror, and when you look into it, what do you see? Do you see limits or do you see possibility? Chapter 6 Courage on the Highway of Life. Every time you take the wheel of the EV6, you're reminded that life is a highway, unpredictable, relentless, but full of opportunity. Some will watch the road pass them by, some will wait at the sidelines, but you are not made to stand still. EV6 tells you to move, to lead, to accelerate past fear, past doubt, past hesitation, to carve your own lane, and if no lane exists, to create own, because history doesn't remember those who waited, it remembers those who drove forward. Chapter 7 The future is electric. The skeptics said it would take decades, the doubters said it would never work, but today, right now, the EV6 stands as undeniable proof the future is not coming, it is here, and that is what makes this more than a car. It's a revolution on wheels, a revolution that tells you that performance doesn't have to pollute, that luxury doesn't have to destroy, that progress doesn't have to compromise. Electric isn't the alternative, it is the evolution, and evolution always wins. Climax the call to drive. So what does this mean for you? It means that the excuses are over, the waiting is over, the future isn't knocking politely, it is roaring silently right in front of you. Kia EV6 isn't just asking you to drive, it is daring you to dream, daring you to rise, daring you to leave behind what holds you back and accelerate into who you were always meant to be. Because life, like the EV6, moves fast, and the only question is, are you ready to move with it? Closing the road awaits. Remember this. The past is written, the present is fleeting, but the future is yours to create. And sometimes creation begins with a single choice, a choice to move forward, a choice to believe, a choice to drive into tomorrow. Today, Kia EV6 is more than a car, it is a key to unlock your courage, a key to ignite your ambition, a key to the limitless road ahead. So take the wheel, charge your spirit, and never forget the road to the future doesn't wail, and neither should you. Because tomorrow belongs to those who dare to drive it. Word count of this draft: 3,550 words. Do you want me to make this ready tread as a voiceover script, or keep it more like a speech, essay style for narration?